Audi Q5 wireless CarPlay presentation. Original display screen. Original head. Lossless upgrade CarPlay. One-key to converse system. Original knot and roll wheel can control it. Steering wheel control volume and switch to the next song. Match the original rear view camera perfectly. One key to wake up Siri, or use your voice. Real-time map navigation. Apple and Android system smartphone can use HD screen mirror perfectly. You can watch TV, watch movies, watch live, play games, etc. Support Android Auto and Baidu CarLife. Follow me to learn more adapter models.